Hi everyone, I will show you how to change Twitter display color. First of all, open your Twitter app, then tap to your profile picture. Now you can see the moon icon in the bottom left, then tap it. Now you have two modes. If you want to light mode, then tap to off option. If you want to change your dark mode, then tap to on option. And if you want to dark theme, then tap to dim or a lights out. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.